So now we'll start focusing in on where exactly Irma will go. Now, this area of high pressure in the Atlantic, depending on how strong it is, remember it has these clockwise winds, so it could continue to push it toward the west if it's strong. Or we could have this trough or this dip in the jet stream can like pick up Irma. Both of those would take it up the east coast, but if the high pressure is strong enough, it's just going to continue to push Irma farther to the west toward the Gulf of Mexico. So there is some uncertainty, especially in the long range, but again, as it gets closer and closer, we'll get more information. Two of our most consistent models, the GFS, which is the American model, and the European model, both pretty consistent through Friday. I just said short term, we know. Notice the green is the GFS. At the moment, it's taking it into Florida, but the European is keeping it off the East Coast. And again, what we know is that it will continue to change. Again, once you get 8-9 days out, it's really difficult for these models to pinpoint exactly what's happening. So we wait in, we prepare, and we let you know about any of the changes that come through, and the National Hurricane Center will be doing the same thing. But you notice it's not really even in our 8-day forecast. We're just focusing in on the heat, humidity, and afternoon thunderstorms.
Plenty of that to deal with, right?
Yes.
All right, Leigh, thank you.